And some people took today's winter blast in stride. They enjoyed playing in the snow and spent a bit of extra time to get to Grandma's house for Christmas. WBZ's LaCrosse spoke to those out and about in Mother Nature.
Massport says that the drop in temperature this morning prevented their crews from keeping up with moving that snow, which is why they closed the runways. The roads were also tricky today, but pretty much everyone we spoke with remained positive on this Christmas holiday. You no longer have to dream about a white Christmas as snow covers trees, ornaments, and the baby Jesus on Christmas Day for the first time in 14 years.
Finally, we're gonna have a white Christmas this year. It's really nice.
Anthony Ruggier and his family were very merry and bright, shoveling out their Belmont home. A few blocks away, Connor Murphy and his two brothers were seeing who could get down the hill first.
You don't know what's gonna happen, like if you're gonna fall off or get snow in your face or something.
The holiday storm blanketing streets early this morning, creating some tricky travel as people hit the roads before crews had a chance to plow.
Pretty slippery, more slippery than I expected, but taking it slow, doing all right. So I'm just kind of just watch the road conditions, I guess.
The storm temporarily taking some away from their families.
It's a light snow. It's not bad. It's not heavy. It's over now, so we still get the afternoon to have a nice dinner and open the gifts with the family and enjoy the day what it's supposed to be.
Efforts not going unnoticed by people out trying to make it to their holiday destinations.
I really appreciate the people who are out here working today at Dunkin' Donuts and who are plowing, and the bus drivers. We saw the MBTA is working, so thank you.
And the speed limit on the Mass Pike is back up to normal. There are still some delays, though, in and out of Logan tonight, so you want to check with your airline before coming down here. Reporting in Boston, I'm LaCrosse, WBZ News.